Here is how to fix no audio sound glitches in GTA V and GTA V Enhanced Edition on PC. So first, what you'll need to do is open Windows, go to Settings, and then System, and then Sound Settings, and then scroll down to More Sound Settings, click on it, and this should open this window. Make sure you select your main audio output device in here, or headset, and then make sure you click on Set as Default. I like also to disable the rest of the devices that I don't use. Then you can click on this and Properties, and then under Advanced, make sure the default format is 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, studio quality. In spatial sound, I'd like to also disable the spatial sound because it causes problems in GTA. Now you can click OK. Now what you can do is close GTA and Rockstar or Steam or whichever platform you have the game on. Then you can try to unplug your audio device or headset, and also make sure you have the latest audio drivers installed. For example, you can find your audio drivers by looking your motherboard model. For me it's MSI 360 Plus, and then you can open the link here. And then under support section you will find drivers and downloads. Go to driver, then select your Windows version, and then on onboard audio drivers you will find the latest audio driver available. Click on download and then install it. Now also Nahimic or Sonic software might cause problems with GTA, so in case you have it, you can try to disable the effects on audio like this, and then try to launch the game, and make sure you in the game settings you select your specific audio output device, for example your headset, and that should fix the problem generally. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.